وزان اليوم هنيئا لك بهذا الفوز. Congratulations, it was a tough game today against Mali. What can you say? What are you feeling after this win?
I think what you say, it was a tough game, but I think we played very well. We created some great chances, but in the penalties we know we have Belarush, and we know he's a good goalkeeper, and we had all our trust in him. So now alhamdulillah we can win the trophy, and for me personally, with the man of the competition, and for today I'm very happy. It's a very great feeling.
Yeah, what can you say about atmosphere here in Al Bashir Stadium? A lot of fans behind you and your friends. What can you say about it?
It's not normal. When we had the first game, it was amazing, and now we know we have to do it for them also, and not only for us. And now what I say, we are very happy, and now you see everybody's happy, not only us. So that.
Thank you, Zan. شكرا لك.